When you're considering Gelato for your business, there are a few things you need to know before making that decision. It's a popular choice for businesses, but how does it measure up to competitors like Printful and Printify? Stay tuned to find out the key points that will help you decide if Gelato is the right fit for your needs. First off, Gelato offers global print-on-demand services with an emphasis on localized production. This means that if you're running a business with international customers, Gelato can help you print and ship locally from various locations worldwide. This cuts down on shipping times and reduces costs, which is a big advantage over other platforms that often rely on centralized production. In fact, it's one of Gelato's major selling points. Being able to produce locally in over 30 countries means faster delivery and fewer shipping costs, which is something Printful and Printify don't quite match on a global scale. Next thing, let's talk about their product selection. Gelato isn't as extensive as competitors like Printify, but it focuses heavily on quality and consistency. The product range includes apparel, home decor, and accessories, and the materials are high quality. Some users have mentioned that Gelato's clothing options feel a bit premium compared to others. However, if you're someone who needs a wider variety of products, Printify might still be the better option. The key is figuring out if Gelato's focus on quality over quantity aligns with your business's needs. The third thing to consider is the integration with your online store. Gelato integrates seamlessly with platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and WooCommerce. The process is smooth, and the setup is straightforward, so you won't waste time with complicated configurations. Compared to some other pod services that can have slower or more clunky integrations, Gelato definitely stands out in terms of user experience. Moving on to the fourth thing, Gelato's pricing. While it's not the cheapest, its pricing structure is quite transparent. The base prices for products are clear, and the shipping costs are calculated based on the country of delivery. This can make it easier for you to set realistic pricing for your customers, as opposed to other platforms that may surprise you with higher fees for shipping, especially on international orders. If you're a business looking for clarity and predictability in pricing, this is something Gelato does well. The fifth thing you should know is the support. Gelato's customer service is pretty solid, with email and live chat support available. If you run into issues with orders or shipping, they're responsive and helpful, which is crucial for any business. In comparison to competitors like Printful, some users feel that Gelato offers a more personalized approach, which can be reassuring when things go wrong. Now, the sixth thing, Gelato's eco-conscious approach. If sustainability is important to your brand, Gelato's commitment to reducing its carbon footprint can be a major advantage. They've partnered with initiatives to offset carbon emissions, and they offer products made with eco-friendly materials. While other pod services like Printify have started to offer similar initiatives, Gelato has a clear stance on this, which can set your business apart if you're targeting eco-conscious consumers. The seventh thing to consider is Gelato's scalability. As your business grows, Gelato offers options for scaling up your operations without losing quality or reliability. Whether you're handling 10 orders a month or 1,000, Gelato can scale with you. Some other platforms can struggle with scaling, especially if you're managing a large number of orders across different regions. But Gelato's global network allows you to easily handle a growing business. To wrap it up, Gelato is a solid choice for businesses looking for local production, quality products, and clear pricing. If you want to test it out yourself, you can try Gelato for free with a special offer through the first link in the description. Don't miss out on the exclusive benefits available for new users.